there, fellow social media marketers. Professor Walters here, and if you wondered how you can make 40 great pieces of content for your site without any worry, well, it's very simple. Number one, make sure you answer the 20 most asked questions that your customers have. Why? Because that's what they're searching for online already. So if you're answering their questions online, they're gonna trust you more and then maybe come to you to buy the solution to that question. So no matter what it is, make sure you have those frequently asked questions. And when I say making content, you have a video on it on YouTube that has like our 10 most asked questions. You have individual ones going for each question on Instagram. Maybe you have a video of it, or you have an infographic of it, or you write about it on Facebook, or you make a blog or a white paper about it. But think about it. Those 20 most asked questions, you answer those online and in social media, it's gonna help you get found because you know that's what people are already asking because they're actually asking you. And you know people don't ask questions that they haven't already searched for answers online, so you wanna do that first. That's gonna give you 20 pieces of content, no problem. And the thing is, you can make that in a lot of different ways. Like I said, the YouTube videos, reels, infographics, talks, all kinds of stuff. So that's one. So there's 20 pieces right there. Now, what are the other 20 pieces to get you to 40? Well, that is answering the 20 dumbest questions you've got, but in a professional and kind way. Why? Well, here's the thing. People ask dumb questions, but they don't know it's dumb because it's their question. So there's actually no dumb question, there's just uninformed questions. So if you show that you even answer the dumb questions in a professional way, that you're trying to be helpful, those people that are scared to ask an actual person those dumb questions will find you online and see that you're helping them answer that question. So when they have more, like less dumb questions, when it's like, hey, how do I buy it? What's my next step? They're more likely to come to you. So that's one of those things. The 20 most asked questions, the 20, dumbest questions you get right there. There's 40 different topics you have for content, and you can literally make an entire year's worth of content, daily videos about all these different things on all these different platforms just from those 40 questions. So, what are some other ideas you have for coming up with the content? Let us know in the comments below so we can help other social media managers and businesses know how to make new content, or at least where to get my ideas from. And I'll say bye from here in Turku, Finland.